Have you ever wondered what actually happens to your money after you deposit it in a bank? Does it just sit there in a vault? Or does the bank do something with it? In this video, we'll explain how banks really work, simply, clearly, and step by step. What is a bank? A bank is a financial institution with two main jobs. First, keeping people's money safe. Second, using that money to make loans. Deposits. What happens to your money? When you deposit $1,000 into a bank, that money doesn't go into a private box with your name on it. Instead, it becomes part of the bank's total pool of money. In exchange, the bank promises to keep it safe and may pay you a small amount of interest. Loans. How banks make money. Banks use deposited money to lend to other people and businesses. For example, home loans, car loans, or business loans. Here's the trick. While the bank might pay you 1% interest, it could charge borrowers 6%. That difference is how banks earn profit. Fractional reserve banking. Banks don't lend out all the money they receive. They must keep a portion in reserve, for example, 10%, in case customers want to withdraw cash. This system is called fractional reserve banking. So if you deposit $1,000, the bank might keep 100 and lend out the remaining 900. Bank runs and safety systems. The system works as long as not everyone withdraws their money at the same time. If too many people panic and rush to take their cash, it's called a bank run, and that can be dangerous for the bank. That's why governments and central banks step in to create safety nets, rules, and deposit guarantees. The role of central banks. Central banks act like referees in the financial system. They control interest rates, supervise commercial banks, and provide emergency money when needed. Their job is to keep the system stable. Let's recap. Banks collect deposits. They lend most of that money to others. They earn profit from interest. And central banks help keep the whole system stable. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tell us what topic we should explain next.